Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another update for you, and this is the brand Nayaat. Brand Nayaat is a brand new brand from the House of Orientica. House of Orientica doesn't need introduction. They've been around for a few years. Many of you are familiar with them. Some of you would have perfume from them. And they are one of the best perfume houses from United Arab Emirates. They make perfumes that are very, very high quality, and you paying a reasonable price for them. So this Nayaat, it was created a few weeks ago. It's completely brand new. They have 12 perfumes in their lineup right now. I unboxed and reviewed many of their fragrances before. This is the 10th one, I think, in the line. And this one is called Nayaat XLNC. And this is GRANDEUR EDP 200ml. As you can see, it's huge bottle, 200ml. And first thing first, presentation wise, look at it. Beautiful presentation, very, very thick cardboard box. Attention to detail is everywhere. The coloring is beautiful. The design is very, very high end. The bottle itself is about 2 kilo bottle, and the cap itself is very, very heavy. Again, attention to detail is everywhere. The glass is frosted and very, very attractive. So it's a big, big bottle, and retail for this perfume is £90 for 200ml, which making it £45 for 100ml. For that price, this is a gorgeous fragrance. So in terms of performance, I'm happy to say it's a very good performer. On my skin went easily over 8 hours. On t-shirt and material goes easily over 10 hours. So it's a very good performer. It lasts you all day. In terms of projection, I had an arm length of projection for around 3 hours or so, and after that it will subside slowly. But you always have a medium bubble, medium cloud, and a medium trail behind you. I went with 10 sprays of it, and that was ample enough for me to smell it all day, and the wifey could smell it easy. So and the next day when I woke up, I could still smell it on the t-shirt and material. So it's a very good performer. And in terms of who is it for? So this one is hint of maturity in here, because it's got some classical element in here. Although they are modernizing it, it's not a pure 100% classic. It's like an amalgamation of classic and modern perfumery. So it's 50-50 almost, but it still has some classical feel to it. So that's why I say it is better suited for somebody 25 years and older, because it's got that classical feel to it. In terms of gender, this is bang in the middle unisex. It is targeted unisex and it's correct, but to my nose it is definitely on the masculine side because of the composition and the DNA in here, giving it a hint of masculinity. In terms of occasion, this is a Swiss Army knife. You can dress it up, dress it down, formal, informal, daytime, nighttime, special occasion, casual, anything you want. It's very, very versatile. It could be somebody's signature scent, is that good. And in terms of seasons, similar story. It's very, very versatile. You can use it in winter, in summer, no problem. In winter more sprays, in summer less sprays. And in terms of ratio for what you pay and what you get is ridiculously high in here, because you're getting a huge bottle of 200 excuse me, 200ml for £90. That is usually a price for 100ml in terms of European names. So you're getting a very, very good value in here as well. So in terms of smell itself, this one, as the coloring suggests, this is predominantly a green fragrance. So it is green, grassy, it's a bit leafy, it's peppery, it's spicy, is aromatic, and it's woody. So if you like this kind of perfumes, you will enjoy this, because this is done very well. The first thing it hits you is the quality of the juice. So it's very, very good quality in here. no harshness, no chemical, no sharpness, none of those. It's just straight, beautifully to go straight to the perfume, and its quality, and you can tell the quality is there, the construction is there. The people who put this together, they have a good knowledge of perfumery, and that is shows in the construction, and the pyramid of this perfume is very well done, is very well put together, is very well blended, and is very nice and rounded and smooth overall. So very, very good quality perfumery and ingredients in here, especially for the price. It smells much more expensive than the price itself. So in terms of notes breakdown, this is according to Nayaat or Orientika's website. On top we have black pepper, Timor pepper, and grapefruit. So it is very peppery. When it opens up, to my nose, it smells a combination of black pepper, white pepper, and a little bit of pink pepper. So it's like a amalgamation of all these pepper together, and it makes it very peppery, making it quite champagne-y feel in the beginning, because they're very, very sparkly. And also the grapefruit plus other citruses which they're not mentioning, I'm smelling hint of bergamot, hint of lemon in here as well. So grapefruit, lemon, and bergamot together, giving it a very zesty feel, very citrusy feel, and very bright, very happy. And the combination of the peppers plus the citruses makes it very champagne-like. It's like champagne is like some sort of fizzy juice. Very, very juicy, very fizzy, and also a very champagne-y smell to it. It's got a hint of fruity aspect to it. Maybe from time to time it giving me a little bit of apple. From time to time it gives me a little bit of maybe even a stone fruity feel to it, but it's not too much. And also it's just in the background, and it's just like a hint of it. Maybe it's the combination of notes in here giving me that basically impression of this fruitiness. The mid is dominated by the florals, so it's very, very floral overall. It's not super floral, it doesn't take over, but it is nevertheless it's floral, so you need to like your floral to enjoy it. The florals in here giving it the very, very soft midness and mid softness, and is making it very, very appealing. So it goes very well with everything else in here. It's a balancing act, and it's work very well with other notes, because other notes are quite heavy hitters and the florals are here is very soft, so it making it a very good balance between them. Lily of the Valley is the biggest player here, which is giving it a little bit of powdery and dustiness as well. Freesia and Violet together giving it that beautiful floral aspect. There is an aromatic aspect into this perfume definitely, which they're not mentioning. I'm getting a little bit of violet leaf and also a little bit of lavender in here, but they are not huge players to take over, making it super aromatic. So it is between, I would say, a balancing act between the aromatics and the florals together here to give it a very, very nice balance. The base is, we got cashmere and wood, we got vetiver, we got ambergris and musk. The woods in here are quite clean, but later on it gets a hint of that pencil shavy feel to it, hint of deep dark, not dark, smidgen of darkness in here when it goes to dry down from the woods. To my nose it's a combination of cedar sandalwood, but they're saying cashmere and wood. Vetiver in here is very, very nicely done. It's a variety of clean vetiver, so it's a clean hint of soapy vetiver and a grassy green, little bit of camphor, little bit of leafiness to it as well. Overall it's got a little bit of earthiness, but not too much. It's not a super earthy perfume, but it's got a little bit of earthiness to it, and also it's very, very clean overall. I classify this perfume as fresh to semi-fresh, and also I classify it as aromatic spicy perfume, so it is aromatic spicy overall. The amber green here is a combination of ambroxan and Isui Super in here, because we're not expecting a natural ambergris in here. Ambergris is one of the most expensive perfume materials in the world, so it won't be in here, but it is equivalent or a substitute to it, which is Isui Super and ambroxan together, and it shows in the base. But it never goes too full on Amroxan, because you know every other player in here are quite a good balancing act. The musk in here is apparent from beginning to end, but it's very subtle and also very, very clean as well. So if you like the combination of the notes I mentioned, this is a beautiful perfume, very well done, very quite masculine, and it's quite gentlemanly as well. But it's not a super masculine that lady can't wear it. It is still quite unisex to my nose. So we're getting fresh spiciness, which is mainly coming from the peppers in here, and the peppers are a combination of few peppers plus the combination of few citruses. In the beginning is very sparkly, is very champagne-y, very juicy, very inviting, very happy, very bright. Later on it gets a little bit darker, not too dark, just a hint of darkness in here, very, very small smidgen of it. Citruses are massive with the peppers in the beginning, as I said, which is a grapefruit, lemon and bergamot combination in here. The amber in here is very effervescent, so it's a very effervescent amber, with transparent, effervescent, airy, see-through amber, so it's very, very nice and refreshing. Musk in here is, as I said, is very clean, so there's nothing in here to give it a funky or challenging aspect at all. This is quite a friendly perfume. But nevertheless, this is not for everybody. This is not everybody's cup of tea, because it's got a little bit of that classical feel to it, as I mentioned earlier. Woods are very clean in the base, which is a combination of sandalwood and cedar, which is very clean. Later on gets a little bit pencil shavy, but again not too much. And the florals are quite big in the mid, especially Lily of the Valley and violet and aphasia, but you're getting aspect of aromaticness, which is coming from the lavender and the violet leaf as well in here. The overall is quite fresh. As I said, I classify this perfume as fresh to semi-fresh, and also aromatic spicy perfume overall. So if you like this kind of perfumes, I highly recommend it. It's beautiful, it's very good value for money. Be getting a huge bottle, 200 ml. This one lasts you years, unless you use it every day, single day. Well, then it might last you a year or two. But if you are somebody like me who got few perfumes in their lineup, in their portfolio, in their collection, then this will last you a lifetime most likely. So very good value for money, very good presentation, very good smell, very good perfumery, very high-end you know, ingredients, high-end perfumery in here. Everything's top-notch for a price. You cannot go wrong. But as always, if you can try it yourself, do so. I never recommend blind buy for obvious reasons, because we all have different tastes, different skin, different climate, different lifestyle, different upbringing, different cultural background, different you know, all these things, and so on and so forth. And all these points will make you as an individual somebody who likes and dislikes perfumes and fragrances in a particular way. So we all have different taste in perfumes, and that makes this endeavor, this hobby, very exciting, because no two people will agree on one perfume, which is very, very exciting if you think about it. Anyway, I highly recommend it. Beautiful perfume. No I cannot pick negatives on it at all. It's just all positive, and it's very, very beautifully done, and I absolutely enjoyed it for the last 2 days. It is up my alley, although I'm a mature person. I've been around for perfumes for a long time, and also I am gravitating towards green fragrances, spicy fragrances naturally. So that's why this is very close to my taste, for my age, for my experience. You need to know if it's good for you or not. That is comes with time, comes with experience, and you need to find out what you like and what dislike overall. Okay guys, as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you perfumes like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems, and this beauty is beautifully hidden gem. If you are interested in purchasing one of my own perfumes and support me that way and get something very, very beautiful in return, you could do that. I'll leave them in the link. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. They are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. I put more than 60% pure perfume oils in my perfumes, which is unheard of, and that makes them huge, bold, big, very long lasting, beast mode, and also they are thick and dense and big bodied and full bodied, and also very, very artistic and unique. They are like time capsule. They take you different places, different time, and they are super beautiful, if I say myself. Thank you very much as always for watching. Thank you very much for your love and support, and I see you later. Bye bye bye.